Multiple sclerosis is a disease where your immune system starts to attack your central nervous system. This includes your brain, your optic nerves, and your spinal cord. What happens whenever that occurs is the immune system causes inflammation in certain areas that causes damage to the nervous system, and these areas of damage lead to dysfunction. The body stops working the way that it's supposed to work. And that can manifest in a number of ways depending on what part of the nervous system is affected. The Waddell Center for Multiple Sclerosis at UC is a full-service multiple sclerosis center where we take care of our patients completely.
We are the only academic center in the region that provide not only multidisciplinary care for our multiple sclerosis patient, but also we provide very novel treatment approach through the clinical trial for our patient, as well as educating the next generation of the multiple sclerosis provider in our center. We are working so hard to make sure that the patient are seen in the short time, because we feel that the sooner we make the early diagnosis, we can start the treatment and slow down or stop the disease progression as soon as possible.
When I transferred to UC for my MS care, not only did I feel much better because I was getting more attention and more comprehensive care, but everything with my physical being seemed to change more to the positive as well. So I've had 0 exacerbations in the last 15 or 17 years since I've been with Dr. Zabeti. It's been fantastic.
We are trying to offer our patients the most cutting-edge treatments available. We're doing a number of trials, not just in multiple sclerosis, but also in related diseases. We're looking at completely new drugs that have never been used for MS that are well on their way to approval. We're looking at new dosage forms of existing drugs to make them more convenient for patients. And we're looking at completely new experimental treatment strategies as well with the CAR T-cell therapy.
What we are doing in our phase 1 study, that is CAR T-cell, is we are collecting patient-own immune cells, sending to a manufacturer. They re-engineer their live cells and we infuse them back to their body. Now they are able to find those bad immune cells and eliminate them. This treatment approach should be very effective for multiple sclerosis, and it's a one-time treatment. Over the last few years, I've seen significant improvement in our quality of care for our multiple sclerosis patient with the support of the philanthropy.
Philanthropy has been huge for our patients. We are able to offer them a number of opportunities that they probably wouldn't otherwise have. So for instance, within our integrative medicine group, there are several opportunities that are funded through philanthropy. We have a nutritionist and a pharmacist. These are resources that a lot of centers don't have. There are groups available for our patients to utilize that they really benefit from. Our social worker, our counselor, all of these resources are things that would be expensive and difficult for people to access, and the access is there for our patients here.
We always want to prevent disability. And in order to achieve that vision and follow that vision and provide the comprehensive care for our patient, we definitely need philanthropy to fill the gap, basically.
What Dr. Zabeti has offered for me is a sincere, caring, high quality, and empathetic care. Who would want anything more than that?
I want to thank you for your generous support to the Waddell Center for Multiple Sclerosis at the Gardner Neuroscience Institute.
We are so happy to have such a support from our community here in Cincinnati.